Ohayo kininayo, pagbasa tayo from
Christina Benalida Fetcha.
What's in your mind? Wait a minute.
Fetcha.
No, makapasyar ka dito'y Bagyo, pero kinaklat tata itur kayo. Now, she's going to tour us if we're going to Baguio, Loves.
Oh yeah.
Tapan ta agsida ti ukininanang nga pinikpekan dita. He wants us to eat the pinikpekan. You know what is pinikpekan, Loves?
Sounds like Peck of the chicken.
Okay, Dedan. Salamat pintas nga balasang. Yeah, pinikpekan is, the chicken you going to palo-palo. That's why we call it pinikpekan.
Why are you going palo?
Oh, I don't know why they make palo, the
Where you
chicken.
palo the chicken at? Oh,
In
it's
the butt.
Peck.
And then they make palo-palo
Why?
before cook. I don't
Make it juicy.
Yeah, maybe. Let them comment why they make it palo-palo the chicken.
So do we palo the chicken on the wet?